Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 5 production function. Today we will discuss difference between variable factors and fixed factors. See, now first of all we will take basis. We will take basis, then after in second column we will take variable factors and then fixed factors. Fixed factors. See, first of all, we will differentiate between variable factors and fixed factors on the basis of meaning. See, first meaning. Variable factors refer to those factors which can be changed in the short run, which can be changed in the short run. Now fixed factor. Fixed factors refer to those factors which cannot be changed in the short run. So I hope all of you have understood. Means variable factors refers to those factors which can be changed in the short run. Means which are variable in the short run. Which are variable in the short run means which can be changed in the short run. And fixed factor means which are not variable in the short run. Which are not variable in the short run. It means fixed factors cannot be changed in the short run. See next difference. A relation with output. Relation with output. Relation with output. See, they vary directly. They vary directly with the level of output. With the level of output. And they do not vary directly with the level of output. Now please try to understand this point. See, they vary directly. Directly means positive relationship. And vary means change. Means they change. See, vary means change. They change directly with the level of output. See, what do you mean by this? Suppose output increases. Output increases, variable factor also increases. Very directly means positive or direct relationship. Directly means positive or direct relationship. Suppose output increases, variable factor also increases. Suppose output decreases, it means that variable factor also decreases. So I hope all of you have understood. Means there exists a positive or direct relationship between output and variable factor. But see here, they do not vary directly with the level of output. It means suppose output increases, increases and fixed factor. See, fixed factors. Suppose output increase, either output increases or decreases. See, output increases or decreases means, but fixed factor remains constant. Fixed factor remains constant in the short run. In the short run, it means either output increases or decreases. In the short run, then fixed factor remain constant. What do you mean by this? Because you know that in short run, output is affected by change in variable factors only, but fixed factor remains constant. So we can say like this, means there you can say like means output either increases or decreases, fixed factor remains constant. It means there is no positive relation, there is no positive or direct relation between output and fixed factor in the short run. You can say like this. I hope this point is clear. See, after third point, means after this third point, see, now examples. Example means raw material, comma, casual labor, raw material, casual labor, and you can say like power fuel. Power fuel means like electricity, etc. And fixed factor, example of fixed factor, plant and machinery, building, comma, land, comma, etc. So these are the, means all these are variable factors, and all these are fixed factor, means these factors can be changed in the short run. This factor can be changed in the short run. So these factors will be considered, variable factors. And see, means these factors cannot be changed in the short run. That's why these factors will be considered as fixed factors. These factors will be considered as a fixed factor. So I hope all of you have understood difference between variable factors and fixed factors. So please pause the video and note down this. See, next topic, types of production function. First of all of you know that what do you mean by production function? Production function is an expression of the technological relationship between input and output, and you know that input means factors, and factors means factors can be of two types, means variable factors and fixed factors. And variable factors means variable factors refers to those factors which can be changed in the short run, and variable factors means fixed factor means fixed factors refer to those factors which cannot be changed in the short run. All of you know that in short run output is affected by change in variable factors only, but in long run output is affected by all factors of production, variable factors as well as fixed factors. So first of all we will discuss short run production function, because you know that means period can be of two types, means short run and long run. Short run period and long run period. So first of all, we will discuss short run production function. Short run production function. Production function. See, what do you mean by this? It studies the effect on output. Effect on output due to change in variable inputs. Due to change in variable inputs. Inputs means factors. Inputs means factors. Assuming no change in other fixed factors. See, after this relationship means relationship between output and variable inputs, because you know that in short run output is affected by change in variable factors only. It means short run production function studies the effect on output due to change in variable input, or factors, assuming no change in other fixed factor. This relationship means relationship between output and variable inputs. This relationship is explained with the help of law of variable proportion. Law of variable proportion. Law of variable, the help of law of variable proportion. So I hope all of you have understood what is the meaning of short run production function. Short run production function means in other fixed factor remains constant. This relationship is explained with the help of law of variable proportion. See, law of variable means why. See, now relationship between output and variable input. See next, long run production function. Long run production function, it studies the effect on output, because you know that in long run all factors are variable means all factors can be changed in the long run. See, it studies the effect on output due to change in all factors, or you can say like inputs, as all factors are variable in the long run. Long run means this relationship means relation between output and all factors. All factors means variable factors as well as fixed factors. This relationship is explained with the help of law of returns to scale. Law of returns to scale. So I hope all of you have understood. Means in short run, you know that in short run output is affected by change in variable factors only. So we can say like this: it studies the effect on output due to change in variable inputs, assuming no change in other fixed factors. This relationship means relationship between output and variable inputs is explained with the help of log variable proportion. And see, in long run all factors are variable, so you can say like this: it studies the effect on output due to change in all factors, means input, as all factors are variable in the long run. This relationship is explained with the help of law of returns to scale. Means law of returns to scale explains the relationship between output and all factors. So please pause the video and note down this. See next topic: types of product. Types of product, or you can say types of production. See, now first of all, total product. Total product means TP. See, it refers to the total quantity produced by a firm during a given period of time. It refers to the total quantity means it refers to the total quantity produced by a firm during a given period of time. So this is the definition of total product. See, now total product is also known as